connected in the back here. Oops. It's connected right here. So I'm going to remove it because it's already safe for removal. I'm going to just take the silver 2 terabyte, and this is the USB here. As you can see, USB, and this is powered up here. I'm going to plug it into one of the ports right here. Plug it in. You can see it's not on right now, it's off. And then I'm going to turn it on. Now it's on and it's blue. It's hard to see because of the illumination. If I kill this, right there you can see it's blue here, blue here. Now the disc is turning. I can feel it vibrating. It's got a white light on right here. Okay, and it's connected right there. It should show up on here as a 2 terabyte L drive. Let's also go over here. Over here we have the different devices on here. This is 900 gigabyte. This is a 444 gigabyte, 20 megabyte. 7.4 gigabyte, 931 gigabyte, and 27.7 megabyte. If I refresh it, okay, even if I refresh it, the L drive 2 terabyte does not show up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take this. I'm going to power it down because I can't safely eject it as it doesn't show up. So I'm just going to power it down, and I'm just going to try another port. I'll just try this one over here, right there, and I'm going to turn it on. There, there's power now, and I feel it spinning. You can see the white light right here. It's getting power, and if we go back over here to the list of the drives, I will refresh it, and still does not show up. I got the Taiga 1 terabyte USB drive, Sony camera, DVD, OSC, Asus G, phone N. It's supposed to be an L drive that says silver 2 terabyte, but it's not showing up. So if I take this silver 2 terabyte, I'm going to go ahead and power it down because I cannot safely remove. So powering down, and I'm going to disconnect it. The camera is just flickering because it's in automatic mode. There. So I'm going to take this silver 2 terabyte. I'm just going to set it right here. I'm going to fix this. There. And I'm going to set it here, and I'm going to take this cable here, which is a blue USB 3.0. I'm going to plug this into the back here, right there. Okay. Now you can see this cable right here goes up and right in here to a blue USB 3.0. And we can see the drive is getting power here. I can feel it spinning. Okay, and then we come over here. Just gonna turn off the light. We come over here, and if I go to, and it already popped up the window for it. If I come over here, you can see silver 2 terabyte. I don't even need to refresh it. It just pops up right there, the 2 terabyte disk. That was not there previously. And it also comes down here in my disk ejector list. So it was not showing up when I plug it into this USB port.